Yes, Lord, bring us face to face with you. Face to face with you, Lord. Where our lives, everything about us points to just one. Living our lives just before you alone, oh God. This is our desire, that we live for the audience of one. We sing for the audience of one. We dance for the audience of one. Lord, all we see is you in this place. Not man, we don't see the number. We don't see our faces, but what we see is you. Thank you, Jesus. I come on my knees to lay down before you, bringing all that I am, longing only to know you, and seeking your face, and not only your hands. I find you embracing me just as I am. As I live this song to you and you alone, as I sing to you in my praises, make your home to my audience of one. You are Father and you are Son. As your Spirit falls free, let it find within me a heart that beats to praise you. And now just to know you more has become my great reward. To see your kingdom come and your will be done, I only desire to be yours, Lord. Oh. And what could I bring to honor your majesty? And what song could I sing that will move the heart of royalty, when all that I have is this life that you've given me? So Lord, let me live for you, my song with humility. And Lord, how's this love song of my life displayed? I have one desire, to bring glory to your name. Hey, to my audience of one, you are Father and you are Son. As your Spirit flows free, let it find within me a heart that beats to praise you. And now just to know you more has become my great reward. To see your kingdom come and your will be done, I only desire to be yours, Lord. Oh, I am yours, Lord, and you are mine, you are mine, I am yours. As we live these songs to you and you alone, as we live for you in our praises, make your home to my audience these songs to you and you alone. As we live for you, in our praises make your home. To my audience of one, you are Father and you are Son. As your spirit flows free, let it find within me a heart that beats to praise you. And now just to know you more has become my great reward. To see your kingdom come and your will be done. I only desire to be yours.